rods. So let's start. In this game, you have wings and you have to go to platforms and get brain rods. And there's a wing stamina. If the wing stamina is down, then you will fall down. If the wing stamina is all the way down. So let's go. Let's grind this game to get good brain rods. Okay, I think I have to go here. Okay. Let's get the Madung. Okay. Yeah, I cannot fly very far, but okay. And in this end of the video, I will at least have 50 stamina or. Okay. Now I can. Yeah. Now we are going to the upgrades category. Let's see what's there. +2 stamina. We can afford speed. I don't know what I don't think I should get it now. I'm not wasting my money. Let's collect this again. What's that? Collect all, upgrade all, and upgrade max all. Okay, let's collect. At the God Brain Nut spawn. I wish I could get it, but not right now. Okay, let's get some stamina. +2 stamina. Okay, I have 2 stamina. Now I can go way further. I mean a little bit. Let's see if we can go to the next platform with this. Okay, we are at the next platform. Let's grab this Trippy Toppy Tropper Tripper. Or not this. This one, the gold one. Let's grab this Trippy Toppy Tropper Tripper. Okay, fly. Oh yeah, I get it. Now we have to go again here. Okay. Collect all, I don't need that. It is 9.2k. I don't have many brain rods, but I'll get it. Okay, let's place this Trippy Toppy Tropper Tripper. Okay. Nice. We can now. What's this? These are okay. 1.1x stamina. I think I need rebirths for this. These are all for Robux. Not wasting. Okay. I guess we will get this 30k one. I have 15k. 15,000. What does she have? I don't know. Very overpowered brain rods. Okay, I guess. Let's collect all. 51k. Nice. Let's collect more. 53k. Now I can definitely afford that upgrade. Yeah, or that wing. Let's get it. Okay, equip. I have equipped. Why did it not equip? Equip. Okay, equipped. Look, these wings look a bit cooler than those. Okay, +2 stamina also, obviously. Okay, I don't think I have enough money. Don't worry, I will get it. Okay, your plot, my plot. It's collected. 49,000. That's a lot of money. Let's get +2 stamina and plus another 2 stamina. Now we have 20 stamina. Nice. No, or 19, I don't know. Yep, 19. Okay. Let's go further. We are running out of stamina, don't worry. Because I have made it. Let's see if I can make it there. With 19 stamina. No, I'm getting down there. Oh no, I can. That was a close one. Okay. We are going. I don't want that garam. Okay. We have made it till here too. Let's get this. What should we get? Oh, this Cappuccino Assassino. Let's get this Cappuccino Assassino. It's pretty overpowered, so I will get it. That makes 2k. That's a lot for a starter. Oh, not even 2k. It makes 3k. 3000. Let's place it. How do I walk with brain rots? That's pretty funny. Now I will make some money. Yep. At 88k, I have made like 88k. Let's see what we need to rebirth. 20 speed, 40 speed. I need 40 speed. I can also buy speed? Wow. I can also, but I'm buying stamina first. No, I can also buy speed. Let's buy some speed. Let's buy speed. Let's buy max speed. Now but I cannot afford it, I think. I don't know. But I didn't buy it. So stamina is more important than speed, right? I don't know. 189. Nice. I've upgraded some speed and also upgraded to stamina. Nice. Now let's fly. Oh, I fly way faster now. Okay. I think I'm just testing out if I can reach here. Okay. I reach out here very easily. I think I can take this Bananita Dolphinita. It makes I think 16k, so let's grab it. Okay. Yeah, it definitely makes 16.5k. Let's place it. Nice. Now I have these 3 brain rots making some money. Max speed, what? Yeah, 60. I got 60 speed. Oh, now I can even fly way faster. Nice. I literally skipped that zone. Okay. I guess let's grab more brain rots. Let's try to get there first. I think I can get there pretty easily. Let's see, 2.8k, 8.6k. Okay, decent, very decent. I can grab this little. Let's try to get even further. But I don't think I can. Oh my god, that was too close. I think I need just 2 more stamina to get there. Let's collect all. Okay, I made $1.1 million for that. Let's have some 2 stamina, 3. I can have some stamina. Okay. We have 30 stamina. I think that's a lot. Wing stamina is going now. Okay, let's refill the stamina bar. Definitely reach there. Okay. Okay, now I have to go to that zone. What's this? I don't know. Okay, but I am flying now. Okay, I have reached. Oh my god, there's some good brainers. I will take this dragon cannelloni, no doubt. Let's go. I'm gonna take this dragon cannelloni. Okay, I guess my stamina bar ran out. Let's go. I don't think. We will refill it. The stamina bar. If you are guys still enjoying the video, please like and subscribe the video and comment. I will do a face reveal at 1k subscribers. So please subscribe. Look, he's walking so funny. Okay, anyways, let's get back into the video, of course. Okay, I think now let's play this thing. Very good. Now I'm making millions. So millions are serious to me now. Let's go. There's also a rebirth available. Let's go. Let's rebirth. Rebirth successful. Now I have only 11 stamina. It was 10 earlier. The starter one. Don't worry, I will collect some money and I My brain rots are still there, and that's good. My brain rots are still there. Let's get these Raven wings. I think I can also get them. Hey, again didn't equip them. Please equip them. Raven wings. Equip. Nice. They look cool. They look a little cool. Okay, now let's upgrade some stamina. 21 stamina. I don't need that. I need more stamina. 94, 170k. 24, 28, 30. I mean, million stamina. I don't think I can afford it. Yup, I cannot. Let's buy speed. Nice, I have upgraded 70. Let's go. And now I'm flying. Okay, let's go. Pretty easy. I don't want that. Okay, let's go flying. Okay, now we made here easily. Now these gaps seem like no problem. Okay, I was arrived here. There's some overpowered brain rots over here. They will look like this Borbito Brandito. I'm definitely grabbing that because that makes 200k per second. Okay, let's refill it. Refill the stamina bar. The god brain rot spawned. I cannot even get it. Why are you telling me? You expect me to get it very quickly. I don't know why. I'm not a god that can get it quickly. Look, that guy only has one brain rot. I feel bad for him because I was also noob one day and now he's noob too. But now I'm grinding. I'm getting some money. I have 51 million. That's a lot. For me, that's a lot. Let's we can rebirth now. Okay, rebirth successful. We can also get these wings. 10 million. I cannot afford it. Sorry. I wish I could afford it, but not. Okay. Yeah, it already made 32 million. Wow. Very nice. I will also collect like this, but I like it. 39 million. Okay. Let's go to the upgrades. Spend some money. 16.229. Okay. I'm just buying upgrades like they're nothing. I still have 26, now 16. Now I cannot buy. Okay, I have 45 stamina. That's a lot. Now let's fly. But I can fly very slowly. I think I forgot to upgrade my speed. Let's upgrade it fast. Let's pay max speed. Now let's do it. I don't think I can afford it. Okay, now I'm going. There's another rebirth level, but I don't want to do it right now. First, let's get some brain rots. Okay, I've made it through here. Now I made it to here. Okay, now I'm going to the next area. Easily made it. Oh my god, they make millions now. What the hell? Oh, this one makes 3.7 million. Let's get this, obviously. Okay, nice. Now I'm getting this Panacini Bananini with gold mutation. Okay. Definitely with the gold mutation. Definitely grabbing this. I'm about to reach my plot. Let's go. Still stamina left. Okay. Wow, he looks funny while walking. Wow, how is he carrying? Okay, let's place it. Lot of money he makes. Nice, 157 million. Definitely a lot. What could we buy now? Let's buy some stamina, obviously. Let's get max speed, obviously, and get 1+1 carry. Okay, now we are going. Okay, now we are going. Now we are going. Now we are going. Okay. Through the next zone. Wow, some brain rots. I don't think they made that much. Let's see if I can go to that zone. I'm flying. Yeah, definitely made it. With some stamina left. Okay. Yes, there's some brain rots over here. This one makes 500k. The Esoc Sakula. Sakula. Esoc Sakula. Okay, let's go now. I don't think I can make any further because I cannot even see the ending. Yep, I cannot even see the ending. And my stamina is just go. Bye bye. Feel bad for that character. Let's go back to get some brain rots. Okay. Nice. Okay, very good. Okay, I don't think there's anything here. Okay, let's go. Nothing here. Okay, guys, I'm dying to the outro. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe the video. My goal is 1k videos. So please, guys, like and subscribe and bye. See you next time.